The Automobile Museum in Stockerau has benefited from AQUAPOL technology since 1998. Founder Peter Malek had already made various attempts at restoration back then, aiming to protect the over 100-year-old walls from decay and, in a broader sense, to shield the vehicles from corrosion. With AQUAPOL, effective and sustainable wall dehumidification is still possible today. Philipp Malek, who took over the museum from his father, knows this as well.
When my father founded the museum in 1986, the building was in need of renovation, serious renovation. It was clear that moisture had formed and accumulated in the walls, and my father wanted to do something about it. He wanted to provide a good home for his cars, and for that, the humidity had to be just right. Anything above 70 is deadly for cars. And after many attempts, he came up with the idea to try something with AQUAPOL. And as it turns out, 35 years later, it still works.
After I had all the other methods demonstrated to me what could be done with the building, from cutting through to coating the inside and outside with tar and so on, I happened to come across the AQUAPOL method completely by chance.
Yes, absolutely. Thanks to AQUAPOL, my precious historical museum has been completely dry since 1998. And I truly want it to remain in this pristine, moisture-free condition for all the future generations to come as well.